So 937, green candle. What's at the bottom of this green candle? A very dark box, right? Very dark box. So that very dark red box shows you that there is a lot of aggressive sellers at that zone, right? Tons of aggressive sellers, right? But the market still found reason to break to the upside once, break to the upside twice, break to the upside 3 times. So this region over here was again full of aggressive buyers, right? The same way that this region was. This region and this region, full of aggressive sellers. Sorry, not buyers, sellers. A lot of aggressive sellers hitting the ask, but the market still was finding areas of support. And so this is how support actually forms, right? The reason why the market forms support is because sellers are being absorbed. And that's sort of the main thing I wanted to summarize this video on, right? So footprint chart execution in the New York session, right? So every trader looks at support and resistance. Few actually understand how it forms. So again, just going over this, if you miss high R trades, you want to use the delta inside of your level. So that's kind of the key thought for today. And that's basically what I was doing here. So in order for you to enter a breakout trade, right? So if you're entering a breakout, let's say this is your breakout trade, right? You're not trying to actually trade after the breakout. What you want to do is understand what's going on in the first 5 to 10, maybe 15 minutes. So if you trade the 5-minute opening range breakout, understand what's going on inside of that opening, that first 5 minutes, basically, right? Understand what your key level, where your key levels are, and understand the price action inside those key levels, right? So this is how you go from the vague to the specific. And so the specific gives you information on what's going on, right? When you can't rely on it via candlestick. So again, FOMO or entering too late, or even feel like you're entering too early, just comes down to a lack of timing the market properly. Timing the market comes down to support and resistance at your key levels. And so for a bullish example, you want to see sellers being aggressive and sellers being unable to break below your level. And so that's exactly what happened here. So again, the final kind of summary for this video is stop entering in the vague and start using the specific.